Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your laptop's OS and the VPN type so the client matches. This matters because protocols differ. Once done, sign into your VPN provider account and note credentials and 2FA method. You'll need them immediately. Make sure to close other VPN apps and connect to a stable network to avoid handshake failures. Now open the VPN installer or built-in settings. Follow the provider's profile or choose manual configuration if you require custom server or protocol settings. You now configure the client or create a manual profile. Pick the app for easiest setup or the OS VPN panel for manual control. Choose a protocol, WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, IKEV2 for mobile resilience, because protocol affects security and performance. Next, select the server location to optimize latency and content access. Then enter your username and password and import any OVBIN or configuration files. Make sure to enable a kill switch and DNS leak protection so traffic cannot escape the tunnel. You complete the process by connecting and watching for a clear connected status. A solid tunnel indicator means routing is active. After connection, verify your public IP and DNS to confirm traffic goes through the VPN, because that prevents leaks and confirms location masking. If something goes wrong, first restart the client and try a different server or protocol. If that fails, check firewall rules and 2FA prompts, and temporarily disable IP6 or third-party DNS to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.